Unlock the real-world value of your crypto by learning exactly how to move funds from your SafePal wallet directly into your bank account. First, ensure you have the SafePal app downloaded, and your wallet set up. This is where all your cryptocurrency is securely stored. We're going to start by opening the SafePal app. Once inside the app, locate and tap on the DApps browser, or the section that allows you to access decentralized applications or services. This is your gateway to connecting SafePal with other financial platforms. In the DApps search bar, type in a term like Fiat on-ramp or sell crypto. This will bring up a list of services that enable you to convert your crypto into traditional fiat currency like USD, AUR, or GBP. Browse through the available options and select a reputable Fiat on-ramp service that supports your region and preferred currency. Look for one with good user reviews and clear transaction fees. On the chosen platform, you'll need to select which cryptocurrency you want to sell from your SafePal wallet. Then, choose the fiat currency you wish to receive, such as US dollars or euros. Next, specify the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. The platform will then show you an estimated amount of fiat currency you will receive, including any applicable service fees. You'll then be prompted to connect your SafePal wallet to this service. Follow the on-screen instructions within SafePal to authorize this connection securely. Now comes the crucial step. You'll need to provide your bank account details. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Double-check all information for accuracy. Review all the transaction details one last time to confirm the amount of crypto being sold, the fiat currency received, and your bank account information. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. SafePal will then execute the transfer of your cryptocurrency to the Fiat on-ramp service. You'll see this reflected in your SafePal transaction history. The Fiat on-ramp service will then process your request and initiate the bank transfer. This process can take a few business days, depending on your bank and the service provider. And that's it. You've successfully converted your crypto into fiat and transferred it to your bank account. Keeping this knowledge handy is key to truly managing your digital assets.